Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to change underline style and color in Microsoft Word. Firstly, open your Word file. Click File option. This is my Word file and click Home menu. Here we will find this underline icon. First select your text area underline and select here any kind of underline. I choose this zigzag underline. Okay, now says this underline color. Choose here color red. Underline color already says. Select underline text area and choose here this double underline and choose underline color, more color, color, this color underline already applied, and finally click file option, save as your Word file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.